Hey everyone, Danielle from Master Mathematics here, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the cosine ratio. When we talk about trigonometric ratios, we know that each ratio establishes a relationship between two sides of a right angle triangle. We also know that when it comes to this triangle and the ratio, we're always looking at it from a particular angle. In this case, when we establish the ratio for cosine, we always look for the side that is next to our angle, or the adjacent side, and our hypotenuse. The cosine ratio is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. Let's take a look at how we use our cosine ratio to help us find the length of a missing side in a right angle triangle. One of the great things about the trigonometric ratios, once we've learned how to use one ratio in a particular situation, using the other two ratios will be quite similar. We start off with the process by looking at our problem and identifying which ratio would be most appropriate to apply here. In this case, we'll notice that we're given the magnitude of the angle, the length of one side of the triangle. This time, we want to find the length of the hypotenuse. If we want to get the length of the hypotenuse, let's establish the trigonometric ratio which relates the hypotenuse to the side that we're given. In this case, we notice that this side is next to the angle. So this indicates to us we are looking at the adjacent side and must use the cosine ratio. Begin writing our cosine ratio, then plugging in the notation to apply to this problem. Once we've done this, we can replace the notation with the respective values. So let's plug in the value of the angle as well as the length of the adjacent side now. Again, we have a missing side, so we must transpose. This time we're transposing for the hypotenuse. Pay close attention to how this transposition is done. Once we've done this, we have a numerical statement we just need to evaluate. Obtain the trigonometric value for the cosine of the angle, plug it back into our equation, work out this quotient, and we've got our answer. Our final answer has to be written to three significant figures. We round this off and we have our final answer of 13.9 meters. If you think you fully understand how to apply the cosine ratio to solve for a missing side, take a look at this question. I've already included the answer at the end, so you can take a look and see if you get that as your final answer, and look forward to the tutorial video on how to do this solution. Have our videos been helping you? Interact with us and let us know.